More now on the author Chinua Achebe, who's been laid to rest in his hometown of Nigeria. He opened the doors for many African writers of his generation and was renowned for engaging with politicians without relenting on his principles. Earlier, we spoke to Dr. Chido Nwangwu of the U.S.-Africa multimedia network based in Houston, Texas.
He lived an extraordinary life, and I remember I was at his 70th birthday in New York when during the birthdays there were lots of folks, everyone saying great things about him. He made the joke that were he to be a military dictator in Nigeria, that possibly he could have declared a national holiday for 2 days in celebration of his birthday. And it is important that Achebe lived as a man of modest grace, of a man of immense dignity. He was not into the drama, the pomp and pageantry of the weight and clout of his writing, of his work. He was a man who saw things from, like he said, he was a writer of protest with restraint. Whatever he did with a reasonable sense of restraint. He would have been amused, as always, by the pomp and pageantry at his own funeral.